boys and girls. I'm so glad that you've joined us for some fun in the kitchen. And you know what? We are going to have fun today. And I have some special helpers. I have Mr. Levi.
Hi.
And I have Miss Shiloh.
Hi.
And I have Miss Christiana. And I have Mr. John Wesley. And who's ready to cook?
Me.
Oh, boys and girls, are you ready to cook? Guess what we're going to make today? Anybody have an idea?
No.
Sloppy Sammies. Have you ever had a sloppy Sammy?
No.
Oh, well, you're going to learn how to make Miss Cinda's sloppy Sammies today. Okay, before we start, we have to talk about being careful, okay? So, what is on the table that you have to be really careful for? That's right. Boys and girls, do you see these? Don't ever use an electric skillet without an adult, okay? Why do I say that?
Because you don't want to burn your hand.
That's right. Because when I turn them on, they're going to get what?
Hot.
Oh, that's right, real hot. So we have to be careful, okay? So boys and girls, always be careful. When you're helping your mommies and daddies or an adult in the kitchen, be careful around anything that's hot because we don't want to get burned, do we?
No.
Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and turn our electric skillets on, so everybody be careful not to touch, okay? We're going to turn them on. Now, we're going to start by, I've already cut up the onions and the celery for you guys because I don't want you using sharp knives. So you get an adult to help you do that, boys and girls. So we're going to start out by getting 2 tablespoons of oil in each skillet. So you can each get your tablespoons, and I'll pour a tablespoon in, and you can dump it in the skillet. But now be careful not to touch it. There's yours. You can just dump it in the skillet. Okay, Shiloh, hold your hand over just a little bit, but a little higher because I don't want you to get burned. There you go. You can dump it in. Here's yours, John Wesley. Okay, so boys and girls, you're going to need 2 tablespoons of olive oil. There you go. Okay, dump that in. Now, John Wesley and Levi, can you very carefully dump the onions in?
What?
Can you dump the onions in the skillet? Take your onions. Can you get your onions, John Wesley, and dump them in the skillet? Put them in. Go ahead, go. And I'll help you, okay? And you can just put that on the counter over here if you want, or you can take it to the sink if you want, Levi. There you go. Okay, did you get yours in? I'll help you. Good job. Can you put this in this over on the sink for me too, please, Mr. Levi? Okay, so we're going to let that saute just a little bit. And Christiana, you want to put the celery in? Good job. Well, Levi, you're so good at putting stuff on the sink. I'll just keep you going to the sink. Would you like to help dump these in, Miss Shiloh? Okay, ready? There you go. Oh. Now, the reason why we're starting this first is because we want these to cook down so they're real tender. And I want you boys and girls to look at the onions right now. Can you see what color are the onions? What color are they?
White.
White. So, when recipes will say that they want you to cook the onions till clear, we're going to show you what that's like. You're going to see these white onions are going to turn clear. So you guys let me know when you think they're turning clear, because that means they're done cooking, okay? Did you know that?
No.
That's pretty cool, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Mr. Levi, one more trip to the sink, please. Thank you. Okay. So now, next we've got that going. So now we're going to need 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. So everybody get your lemon squeezers. Okay, and I'm going to give you each a lemon, and you guys can squeeze some lemons for me. I need some fresh lemon juice. We like fresh. Oh, big muscles. Okay, push it down and twist. You want to, good job. Want me to hold it for you, John Wesley? Here. Push it down and twist. You got it? Oh, Levi, that's creative. He's twisting the bowl instead of the lemon. That's good. You're getting the job done. Good job, Christiana. Press down harder. Press down harder, John Wesley, and twist. How are you doing, Shiloh?
Right.
Okay, put one hand on here, and now twist with that hand and hold it. Yeah, good job. All right, I'll help you hold. Push down real hard, Shiloh. Oh, big muscles, Shiloh. Oh, now twist. Good job. Good job. Oh, you're a little bit more juice in yours still. Boys and girls, have you ever made fresh lemon juice? It'll make your recipe taste a lot better if you use the fresh. And this is fun, isn't it? Let's see. Are you getting anything, Shiloh? Look. Oh, now that's good. Show the camera, Levi. Look how he got all of his out. Look at that. Good job. How are you doing, Christiana? Oh, we got to use more muscle, Christiana. Press down real hard. Press, go like this, and cup it with your hand. Cup it with your hand, boys and girls, like that. And then press down real hard and twist. Now twist it. Back and forth, back and forth. Good job. Keep going. You're getting some. You're getting some. Good job, John Wesley. Levi, can you help Shiloh?
Oh.
Because you did an awesome job. Can you help Shiloh? And I'll help Christiana. John Wesley, you've almost got yours. Let me see your lemon. Did you get it all?
Careful, Levi.
Almost. Almost. I'll hold your container for you. Oh, wow. Good job. Okay, your turn. Press real hard, real hard. Oh. Good job, Christiana. Real hard, go. Big muscles. Good job. Did you tell him thank you?
Thank you. You're welcome, Shiloh.
Okay. You might have it. Let me do a little bit more for you. Oh, see all that came out? Look. There's a whole bunch of juice. There, look. See? How are you doing? Let me see yours. I think you have enough. See how much juice you got? Look at that. Look at that, boys and girls. Isn't that fun? Okay, now let me stir this. Anybody watching our onions? Are they starting to get clear?
Yeah.
You got to tell me when they get clear.
They look clear.
They look clear? Not yet. Not yet, they're not. I need to turn this one up more. This one's not as hot as that skillet. So let me turn yours up a little bit more. Okay, now we're going to add some, does anybody know what I have here on the table? What's this?
A recipe.
Very good, Christiana. It's important to what?
To have a recipe.
And not just have a recipe, it's important to what? Follow the recipe, isn't it? So boys and girls, make sure that you follow the recipe, okay? So let's see, we've done the olive oil, we've done the onions, we've done the celery, and now it's time to do, let's do 1.5 cups of ketchup. So the boys, you can get your 1 cup. And girls, you get your 1/2 cup. So Levi, can you fill that? Fill your cup with ketchup. Take the lid off. Nope, your 1 cup. Let me show you. And boys and girls, be careful when you're measuring. Make sure that you get the right cup. Because you'll want, see, this says 1 and a slash and a half, and 2. Do you know what that is? A half. So that means that's a half of this. So this says what?
1 cup.
That's right, 1 cup. Okay, fill your 1 cup. Let's set this aside. You fill it. You can fill your 1 cup with ketchup. Put your cup down, fill it up, and you get your 1/2 cup. See how it says 1/2? What does that mean? Do you know?
No.
A half. Can you say that?
Aha.
Yeah. So you're going to fill half with that, okay?
Okay.
Oh, good job, Christiana. You have a half and you have your cup. Good job. Okay.
Pour this in.
Just wait just 1 minute. Can you stir that for me very careful, Levi?
With the spatula?
Yes, you may. Those are special spatulas, so they're special where they are heat resistant so that you can use them in a hot skillet. Make sure, boys and girls, that if you're going to use something like that, it's heat resistant. Squeeze, Shiloh.
Squeezing.
Are you squeezing hard? Let me see your muscles. Oh, did you know you had to have muscles to cook? You did? Oh, okay. There you go. And I'll help you put it in. There you go. Get yours, Christiana. And I've given each of you a little rag. So you know what these are for?
Washing your hands.
Yes, if your hands get dirty. Good job. And John Wesley, do you want to stir these?
Yeah.
Okay. You can take your spatula and stir them. Get it full. Oh no! What is that? That's our kitchen timer. That says we have to hurry. There you go. You can fill yours. Okay, dump your ketchup in. Go ahead and put your ketchup in. Oh, you got a rag, sweetie. Well, you know what? Here's your rag. There you go. There you go. Okay, dump your ketchup in. You know what? Good thing for you guys, I've made some sloppy joes ahead of time. And that way, oh, that's right. You're right. I'm calling these sloppy Sammies. Thank you, Levi. Boy, you're keeping me on track, aren't you? I like that. Okay, so now, boys and girls, what you're going to do is you're going to add the ketchup. Go ahead and add your ketchup. Add your ketchup. We're going to add a little bit of brown sugar. We're going to add a little bit of tomato paste. Yes, you may get it out with that. We're going to add a little bit of tomato paste, and you can go ahead and stir that up, Levi. And then we're going to add our Bragg's liquid aminos, and we're going to add our burger. And let me show you what these look like. You can go ahead and stir this too, John Wesley. This is what it looks like when it's all done. Who wants to taste it?
Me.
Oh, I've got some bread over here, and I'm going to let you guys each taste a sloppy Sammy. Don't these look good, boys and girls? You'll have to try these at home. Oh, that's our timer. Boys and girls, that's all the time we have for today. But you know what? Always remember that anytime you can be in the kitchen, it's fun.